Morning, YouTube. Hope you guys are doing great. This is day 22 of this intermittent fasting weight loss journey. I posted a video yesterday. Really was like early morning, like maybe midnight or something like that. Yesterday was kind of weird. I had a lot of stuff going on in the morning, and I wanted to make sure I got a workout in, before I went to bed. But I recorded the video like I'm doing now, and just clean forgot to even upload it on YouTube. So anyway, but hope you guys are doing great. It's hump day, and I hope you guys are a step closer to accomplishing your dreams and your goals. And get this workout in. Do HIIT training. Switched it up from the first week and a half. I was doing like 35 minutes on the air assault bike and push-ups and sit-ups. But started doing the HIIT training. It's supposed to burn more fat, and you get more done in less time, essentially. So a lot more efficient, which is what I need, which is what most of us need. So I'm gonna do that today, and knock this workout out. Knock the workout out. Yeah. I'll chat with you guys after the workout. All right, YouTube. Got that workout in. If you guys ever need if you don't got weights, get these guys. They're kind of like three different, what do you call them, resistance levels. This is the heaviest here. I don't know what the poundage is equal to. Maybe 60 pounds, 70 pounds, if I had to guess. But then you can do so much with this. You can just put it in here. You adjust it to the different heights. Make sure your door actually latches good, because like my closet door doesn't latch good, but the door coming into the room does. So this is the best one. But you can get these from Walmart for like a set of them for maybe $20 or so, and you can just do all kind of things with it. So I did a bunch of those. Did a total body, did some pull-ups, some abs. So yeah, you guys are doing great. Enjoy your Wednesday, and I'll chat with you later.